Good day. I'm Hannibal, 33 years of age, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have one son, he is 10 years old, and one daughter, he is 4 years old. I work in Taiwan for 4 years as a factory worker. I also work as a housemaid for 4 years from 2010 to 2014 in a couple with three children and they have dogs. My duties there is to taking care the baby and also the pets they have. I also do cooking, cleaning the house, ironing and laundry and do the laundry. And I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family. And also I want to have my own business. To my future employer, you will not regret if you will hire me because I am a hardworking person, honest, and obedient. Thank you, and I hope you will select me as soon as possible. And I will promise that I will finish my contract, 2 years contract or more. Thank you and God bless.